In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to activate your SNAP EBT card online. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your EBT card with you, along with important details like your card number and personal information. To get started, launch your preferred browser and search for your state's official EBT website. This is very important because activation is usually done through a secure government site. Once you're on the correct website, look for an option like Activate Card or Cardholder Login and click on it. You'll then be asked to enter your EBT card number, date of birth, and other details to verify your identity. After that, you'll either create a new 4-digit PIN or confirm your existing one. This PIN is what you will use every time you make a purchase, so make sure it's secure and easy for you to remember. Once you complete all these steps, you should see a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated. Now your EBT card is ready to use just like a debit card for eligible purchases. If you ever face issues during activation, you can also call the phone number on the back of your card as alternative method. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.